In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively edit task templates in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open the specific project that contains the task template you wish to modify or update. You probably have various projects running, so make sure you navigate to the correct one where your template resides. Once you're in the right project, look toward the top right corner of your project screen. You should see a workflow button. Go ahead and click that. This button opens up a panel where you can manage various aspects of your project, including task templates. Next, in this panel, find and select the Task Templates option. Click on it, and you will be able to view your list of existing task templates. This is where you'll find all the pre-designed templates you've created earlier, or any that might have been shared with you. Now, take a moment to locate the specific template you want to change. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over that template. As you do this, you'll notice some more options popping up. This is a handy feature. Click on the three dots icon that appears, which represents more options or an overflow menu. From there, select the Edit option from the drop-down menu that shows up. You'll now be taken to the template editing screen, where the fun begins. This is where you can update the due dates to reflect new deadlines, or refine task descriptions to provide clearer guidance on the task. Perhaps something in your project has changed, and the descriptions need tweaking to fit your current needs better. In addition to updating the due dates and descriptions, you can also add or remove specific actions within the template. This is crucial for ensuring the template aligns with the demands of the project you're working on. If you find that some steps are no longer necessary, or if new actions need to be included, this is your chance to customize the template accordingly. Once you've made all your changes, it's important to verify that your adjustments have been applied successfully. Take a moment to double-check everything. You want to ensure that all tasks created from this template will reflect the most current and accurate information for you and your team. This step helps maintain consistency across all tasks within your project, which is vital for smooth collaboration. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits, you can save the changes. Now you're all set. Check your result now to see how the updated template looks in action. And that's it! Editing task templates in Asana is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your project management flow. By keeping your templates updated, you will ensure your team can work efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up.